Most people get crypto swaps wrong. They think every platform is the same. But QuickSwap is a decentralized exchange with some unique advantages, especially for Ethereum Layer 2 users. Here's my experience using it. QuickSwap operates on the Polygon network, which means transactions are faster and fees are significantly lower than Ethereum mainnet swaps. The surprising truth is that using QuickSwap can save you hundreds in gas fees, which many people overlook when comparing platforms. The interface is simple. Connect your wallet, select the tokens you want to swap, review the rate, and confirm. I swap Matic for USC in under a minute, paying just a few cents in fees. Most people get this wrong by assuming DEXs are complicated or slow, but QuickSwap is almost as fast as centralized exchanges for basic trades. Liquidity pools are robust, and slippage is generally low, which is crucial for avoiding losses in volatile markets. I also tested staking options on QuickSwap, which lets you earn additional rewards while holding certain tokens. This adds another layer of potential income for active users. However, there's a small learning curve for newcomers who aren't familiar with wallets and Layer 2 networks. Most people get this wrong by jumping straight in without understanding wallet connections, which can lead to confusion or small mistakes. In conclusion, QuickSwap is a solid decentralized swap platform for fast, low-cost trades on Polygon. It's ideal for crypto users looking to save on fees, access liquidity, and explore staking options without relying on centralized exchanges. Subscribe for more honest crypto platform reviews so you can trade smarter.